Hey guys, Rubrik777. This video is going to be on how to make Lego custom Taskmaster shield. So yeah, let's get started with the video, guys. Hope you guys like the video. Enjoy! So yeah, to start off with the video, so the first thing you're going to need is a gray shield piece. And then after that, you're going to need more gray paint. You need some black paint and you need some orange paint. What I did first was I made a circle around with a shield where all the black lines are. I just did the circle first, and then after I did all the orange, and the gray comes in handy afterwards to thin out the orange lines, so the sides you can make look thinner, and then you can make it you can make the tops right here longer outwards all the way around, like there, and also here. I might need to work on right here, but basically you get the point. And that's what I did for the shield. The reason I'm doing this video is because Lego decided to use a very small shield piece, and it's not even a shield, it's like a dish, a Lego dish piece that you'd use for like silverware and a plate. So that's very sad, but I'm glad I'm a Lego customizer and I've done this for a few years. I'm most likely going to make movie accurate figures in the future, but all these are comic accurate. So like you got Winter Soldier, and this is my Black Widow, and also Wolverine in his yellow and blue costume, and then there's Red Guardian beside him. It's going to be interesting to make Red Guardian from the new movie, because he's got a beard and everything. He's a little chubby. I don't know if he's going to lose some of that fat or what, but he's not going to look as ripped as the comic book version. But other than that, that about sums up this video, so let's wrap up this video, guys. So yeah, thanks guys for watching this video. Hope it helped you guys to make your own shield if you are working on Lego Custom Taskmaster, which I will do in the future, but I need to work on some other characters, like characters from the Birds of Prey movie that comes out very close to the date of this video, when it will come out. So yeah, other than that, thanks guys for watching. Please like, favorite, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell. And other than that, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.